So today I will be teaching you guys how to, clone a website, how to make any website your own. Okay, so we are going to do 3 steps on this particular tutorial. The first one, we are going to download a software, an app called HTTrack. So to do that, we are going to open our browser. All right, so what I'm going to do here, I'm going to type in HTTrack. All right, so I will click on the first link to get the software installed on my computer. These particular tools help you copy any website that you want. You can copy the website and make it your own website, but please, this is for educational purpose. All right, don't use it illegally. All right, so now what I'm going to do, I'm going to look for a version that suits my computer. So I'm going to go for Windows, so with the 10 and above, install the version. All right, so I'm going to download this. I'm trying to read some stuff here so I can get the right one for my system. All right, so I think we are downloading it now. All right, so we are downloading it now. Okay, so after downloading it, you are going to install the app on your computer. So, and to do that, I will right click. So I will run it as administrator. Okay, next, accept, next. Okay, 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 so we are installing it now. Finish. All right, so we have the software open now. So you click on it this way. So this is what you're going to do. You name the project. All right, so you name the project. Let me just say I want to copy a website like Jumia, for example. So okay, let me just say a website like web copy. All right, category. So you can decide to put the category there. Maybe I should just name it like a blog. All right, so where do you want the folder to be? You select. All right, where you want your folder to be, then you click on next. So what do you want to do with the site? Look at it, download website. If you want to download everything, download website, subscription, get separate files, download all sites and pages, test link, continue. Do you understand? Updating. So I will just say download sites. So here, and I'm going to add the URL. So I will go to browser and type, let me say if I want to copy a website like Nigeria Loaded. So I'll just say Nigeria Loaded. So I'll click on the website, go to the home page. Alright, so I'll go to the home page and click the URL and copy it. So then I'll go back to my software, to my app, and paste it here. Alright, so I'm going to click on next. Alright, so do you want to like disconnect when finished? Do not use remote access. Okay, so I'll just click on finish, then it will start downloading. Alright, so there are times if the website is lighter, it will be easy to copy. Alright, but when you have a very heavy website, it can take time, so you just have to be patient, wait for it until the website is done copy. Alright, so let's give it some minutes and see how the copy goes. There are times that this particular method does not take time, depending on how heavy the website is. Alright, so welcome back. Now we are done copying this particular website, so we are going to check and locate the folder. So go to your local disk. Alright, open the local disk, go to the folder my website. Alright, so after copying the website, this is, you just locate your folder in the local disk. So this is where the folder is, my website. Then you click on here. So all the website you've been copying, they will be inside here. So the first one, this is it. So inside here, this is the website. Alright, this is the website I copied. So if you click here now, this particular place, you have something like this, the about, the advertisement, the author. So everything has been copied. Alright, so what I'm going to do now, I'm going to click here. So I'm going to open it with Visual Studio Code so we can, see the codes. Alright, so I'm going to open my VS Code. So after opening my VS Code, so I'm going to open the folder, go here. So I'll go here, click on this, go to my local disk where the folder is being located. So I'll click on my website, click on it, the first one, click on it. Then I'm going to look for, this is the website we copy. You can see Nigeria loaded. This is everything inside the website. So I'm going to click here. Alright, so this is all the codes. You can see the about, the advertisement, the author, everything, the sections. All these are the sections. Alright, all this stuff here are the section. This is the admin, this is video, this is include. So I'm going to click on select. Alright, so clicking on select, everything will be here. So these are the folders. Alright, so what I'm going to do now, you can see everything here, so this is the home page. So if I click here now, you should see the codes. This is the code of the website. You can see this is a lot of website, this is a lot of codes. So this is Nigeria loaded website. Alright, where they are mistake, this is the HTML of their mistake. Alright, so all the whole HTML of their mistake is being upload here. Alright, so this is it. Then any other thing that you want is here. So if you want to check the JavaScript, this is one of the JavaScript. This is the small one. So if you go front here, you should be able to see others. Alright, so talk zone, TV, everything is here. These are the codes of the website. Alright, so okay, let me view it on the web page so you can see. so you can see what I'm talking about. Alright, so I'm going to view the home page. So I'll click on live server, allow. Alright, as you can see, this is the website. Alright, you can see now, this is the website. So the website has opened. Alright, so this website, you can decide to customize this website, edit it, and make it your own website. So you can decide to edit this website to your own taste and make it your website. Alright, you can see even the advert, we copy the advert code alongside with it. So this is it. This is how the website look like. Alright, thanks for watching this video. Please like and subscribe. Click the notification button of this video so that anytime I drop a video like this, you will be able to get notified. Alright.